In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account with Hostinger. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up a web browser and head on over to Hostinger. This is it here, hostinger.com. And now once we're at the official site of Hostinger, we need to click on the login on the top right hand corner. This is going to be brought to this page here. This is where you log in, but down below it will say new to Hostinger, choose your service to get started. So go ahead and click onto that. And now from here, to create an account, you got to pick a plan. So you got Premium Business Cloud Startup. So choose which plan you want to run with. But at the top of the page, they might have a flash sale or something like that. So it says up to 80% off web hosting. So what I might do, I might click onto this one. And now I'm going to click choose this plan, which is the most popular. And now it'll take you to your cart. And from here, go ahead and click on continue. And now this is where you can create your account. So what we can do is jot in an email address and choose a password, or click on, they've only got the option of create an account with your Google account. So what I'm going to do is click on the G. Now I'm going to pick my Google account here, Tutorial Wiz. So this is going to take me back to Hostinger and sign me up and log me at the same time. I'm going to click on continue. Now from here I need to put in my billing address and then click payment, and then it'll send me to my payment section, and that's where I can put in my credit card details, bank details to continue with the purchase and to continue with the account creation.